Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost documents with FedEx, full guide step by step clearly. To recover lost documents with FedEx, start by gathering all relevant information. This includes details of the shipment such as the tracking number, shipping date, and recipient information. Next, visit the official FedEx website or call their customer service hotline. If using the website, locate the Help or Customer Support section. In the support area, search for lost shipment or document recovery options. Have your tracking number ready for any online chat or phone interaction. If you choose to call, wait for the automated system to guide you to the appropriate department. Once connected with a representative, clearly explain your situation. Provide them with your tracking number and any other pertinent details. The representative will initiate a search for your lost documents. They may ask additional questions to narrow down the search. Be prepared to provide descriptions of the lost documents. After your initial report, the FedEx team will begin their investigation. This process may take a few days, so stay patient during this time. You can check back with customer service for updates on your claim. If your documents are found, you will receive instructions for recovery. If your documents cannot be located, inquire about potential compensation options. Throughout the process, keep records of all interactions with FedEx. This documentation will be helpful if you need to follow up. Be aware of any deadlines for document recovery claims, as they can vary. Consider using additional services like package tracking notifications in the future. These can help prevent similar issues with lost shipments down the line. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the process to recover lost documents with FedEx. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.